Okay, so in this video, let us discuss on how to capitalize every word in a sentence in C programming language. So for example, if you have this sentence, coronavirus sucks, you have to capitalize C, V, and S. You have to capitalize first letter of every word and then print the resulting string. Now, in C language, this is actually very simple, but if you are a beginner in learning, then you might as well watch this video. So, let us make a character array or a string. This is how you declare it. I have just assumed maximum number of characters will be 100. You can give any input over here, but I have assumed 100, and then get s function is used to input a sentence. Now difference between scanf and getS is scanf will read until the first white space. That is, it will read only one word. In this coronavirus sucks, the sentence, if you use scanf, it will stop over here. But getS will stop at end of line. You can use getLine function also, or you can use the other method of scanf, uh, which you might have seen if you had visited HackerRank or HackerEarth. There was a basic assignment on how to, use scanf to get a sentence, to input a sentence. So you can use that also, but I prefer getS. GetS is used for sentences. So input the sentence and run a loop, and this condition s of I, it means the same as this. Until I find a null character, that is until the end of the sentence, I shall run the loop. Both mean the same. This condition is the same as this. So you can write both ways. So I'm running a loop and I'm checking if I is equal to 0. That means I am at the first character. Now first character, I have to make it capital. How to check if it is capital or not? Check the ASCII range. If it lies in the lowercase letter range, that is if s of I greater than or equal to a and s of I less than or equal to z, small a and small z, then you make s of I equal to s of I minus 32. This s of I minus 32, this will make, uh, lowercase into uppercase, because ASCII value of small a is 97, small a is 97, and capital A is 65. So 65 and 97, the difference is 32. And that is why if you want to make any letter into uppercase, you subtract 32 from the lowercase letter. And if you want to make it into lowercase, you just add 32 to the uppercase letter. And then I am printing this character then and there only. I am directly printing it. If I is not equal to 0, but if s of I minus 1 is a blank space, that is, now this first word is done. How will you check for the second, third, fourth, so on? How will you check for those words? Easiest way is check if s of I minus 1 is a blank space. If it is a blank space, that means this is the starting letter of this word. So capitalize that. Come here, when you come to this s of I minus 1 is a blank space, so capitalize this. So this becomes V, this becomes S. Like that. That is this condition. So I'm writing the same thing over here. I'm just checking if S of I minus 1 is a blank or a white space. And if it is neither one of these two, that means it is normal character and you should print it only. That means it is not the first letter of any word. You should print it. In this way, even the white spaces will be printed. So if you run this as the input, you will get this as the output. You can see that both the words have been capitalized. Sorry, all the first letters of the words have been capitalized. So this is how you capitalize the first word of every first letter of every word. I'm sorry, first letter of every word in a sentence. So I hope you understood now, and I hope the video quality is much better. I'm sorry for the previous videos for having bad quality. And please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such good videos. And please subscribe and share these videos. Thank you.